How to sell a used crop cutter and baler. When it comes to selling a used crop cutter and baler, the best place to do this is on AgriMag. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the unit, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the baler's capacity, the internal baling mechanisms, the hitching system and driving apparatus, tires and tread, the rigidity of the chassis under operation, the hydraulic systems, and the degree to which they function properly. And finally, check the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying choice. It will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your farm equipment, trucks, and machinery on AgriMag. Visit agrimag.co.za, South Africa's leading digital farming and agricultural marketplace.